Welcome to the poster gallery. Here we showcase all 11 courses with their unique design, course highlight, and some of the students' feedback. Just like in any physical symposium, you can walk through the gallery, view the posters, and post your comments and feedback. How do we do that online? Here we're using a tool called Padlet. If this is your first time using the tool, don't worry. I'll use the next few minutes to introduce a few critical steps so you can interact with these posters from any devices. So let's get started. We begin by choosing any course of your like, for example, CCST 903. Once you open the board, you'll see the full poster. Scroll down the page to read all of the details. If you like the poster, give it a like, and you can leave a comment here. Thank you for the support! And of course, we'd love to hear more constructive comments from you. Underneath the poster, you can find some other relevant materials about this course. For example, here, the board game we developed for CCST 903. You can also create a new post by double-clicking anywhere on the board. For example, asking a question. You can also create a post by customizing it through uploading a file, creating a link, or use any of the provided functions. Consider this a creative space for us to talk about ideas around this course and share resources. Once you're done enjoying this poster, you can use the slider to go to the one before it or the one after it. Make sure you check out all of the posters while you're browsing to get a full detail of their design considerations and their amazing highlight. Have fun! You can also access the poster gallery through a mobile device, for example, your phone. Here the poster is going to look a little bigger for you, but don't worry, you can tap on the poster and then it will show you the full image. Then you can just use your fingers to zoom in and out for any part of the poster so you can view the details. Similarly, you can interact with the board by reading other people's comments and create your own by double-clicking anywhere. Feel free to share any ideas about each of the courses. Have fun with the board, and we look forward to hear more from you. I hope this short tutorial has helped you to familiarize with the tool. So wait no more and head over to the poster gallery. We look forward to hearing from you.